I think there are a lot of people out there like myself that wouldn't mind having the experience of something they otherwise couldn't attend.
It's nice that somebody somewhere cares enough, to provide a way for you to be able to have that experience.
That's what it does to me. I actually leave a performance feeling better about myself.
Good evening.
Hi, everyone.
How are you? Wow, it's so great to see you again.
So let's introduce ourselves.
Hi, I'm Paul.
I'm Walter. We're co-founders of White Bird. Thank you again for being here tonight.
Thank you.